Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Pooja. So in the previous video we installed WAMP server on our system. So today we will install Composer, one of the most important tools for PHP developer. That is Composer is like dependency manager of your project. So whether you are learning Drupal, Laravel, Symfony or any modern PHP development, Composer is a must-have tool because as I have mentioned, like it is a dependency manager. By using this, you can download, update packages. So by the end of this video, you will have Composer installed and working perfectly on your window machine. So let's begin. So before installing Composer, let's understand what is it is actually. So Composer, think of it like a package manager. So instead of manually downloading libraries and copying files into your project, like as required, Composer automatically downloads and manage them for you. So for example, suppose you are creating a Drupal project or installing Laravel. So when adding third-party PHP packages, Composer handles everything like automatically. So in modern PHP development, it is you can say it is as essential. So why do we need Composer? Without Composer, you manually download packages. You have to update and yeah, since when you manually download something, like managing them becomes difficult, like a version upgrade and all. So with Composer, simply you write a command and everything will be downloaded and updated. So actually Composer, you can say Composer maintains project consistency. Like suppose if you have some project in like Drupal 8 version and Composer, like you have some packages in some another version which are not compatible with Drupal 8. So Composer simply finds error and mention like you can't install this package. So you can verify and install them depending upon the error. So before installing Composer, make sure WAMP server is installed and PHP is installed. So let's verify PHP. Let's verify if we have PHP on our system or not. Like in my previous video, I have mentioned I have installed WAMP server on my system. So let's verify that it is still running. So open command prompt. Now I have installed WAMP server on C drive. So let's go to that directory, that is WAMP 64. Now type PHP -p, that is PHP version. So now you can see PHP 8.3 is running onto my system. So if you have installed WAMP but you can't find the version and you got error like PHP is not identified as command, so you have to set path variable onto your system. So if you find any issue, please go to my previous video of WAMP server installation and go to the section settings system environment variable in PHP. So yeah, WAMP PHP is running onto my system. Next, I have to download Composer. So open your browser, search for Composer download PHP or Composer PHP. You can search any of this. Simply download Composer. So here it is, like Composer setup file. You can download it, and so I have downloaded this. Now go to Composer setup. Install for all users. If you have one user into your system, so simply install. I have multiple users, so install for all users. So you can choose developer mode or simply overall. So simply click on next. here is the path, that is the PHP path of so simply it, so now installation will ask for location of PHP. So you can browse it from here, and since it is already it has been already selected here, so simply click on next. Now since we are using like WAMP server, so simply we do not have any proxy server, so simply click on next. Now, if your organization uses a proxy server, so you have to enter the details provided by your administrator. I am using my own system, so there is no issue regarding that. So otherwise, click on simply default setting, default installation. So installation is complete. Now click on finish. So Composer is now installed on your system. Now, so let's verify, since Composer has been installed, so let's verify everything works correctly. So now open a new command prompt. Let's open a new command prompt. Now you can check by simply Composer version. Now, as you can see, Composer version 2.10 is running onto my system, and it is also showing PHP version. So, now Composer is already running onto my system. So, as you have, if you are learning Laravel, so there is a separate Composer command for creating project in Laravel. If you are learning Drupal, there is separate command for creating project in Drupal. So you can use those commands, and yeah, that's all. So here Composer installation is complete, and you have successfully installed Composer and learned the basic like checking the version of PHP and Composer. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.